What advice would I give about uni?
Just get out of your comfort zone.
There is pressure, but it is good pressure.
I was diagnosed with dyslexia early on in primary school. Going through secondary school was quite difficult.
When I grew up, it was a very tough environment. From the beginning, I didn't think I'd go to uni.
I wanted to prove people wrong. Someone with dyslexia can achieve their goals.
I had a massive point to prove. No matter if it was really, really hard, I always had that goal that I was going to graduate.
Going through USW and just the help they provided me with, I was able to graduate to the first class honours.
I smashed first class honours, and that was really positive on my mindset.
I grew up in quite a rural town, no gay scene at all, so I kind of hid who I was for quite a long time. Moving away to university, it was a fresh start for me. I was with all new people.
It was just a breath of fresh air. The people were really lovely and the campus was really modern.
There's something about the university experience that just makes you feel like you're a part of something much bigger.
University gives you the space and the time to develop as a person.
Uni does give you the tools that you need to just think on your feet and to be as adaptable as possible.
At USW, we had so many opportunities for internships and work experience.
When colleagues ask you which university I trained to be a nurse at, and I say USW, they're always like, oh wow, fair play.
I would not be where I am today if I didn't go to university.
Get your hands dirty, get stuck in, you can handle it.